Again?
Ow!
You alright?
Yep.
Free Bobby, slender man, I'm 6'80". Girls call me Marshall, I'm slim and I'm shady. This ain't computer, games do not play me. I will deflate your face like Tom Brady. I'm woke, they don't got bars like me. Stop lying, King, they don't leave scars like me. Square up, I feel like John Jones in his prime. I have it raining bows like Tekashi 6ix9ine. You taking more L's than Russ, so stop it. San Gennaro feast get smoked like sausage. I only come out the woods to pop shit. I'll toss a boogie right off of a high bridge. Soaking wet, I may weigh $110. Google Bob Dandridge, I will $110. All black suit, pop up in your daughter's face. Call me young Odell Stretch'em, cause I caught a case. Boo, pop up on your screen, start screaming. All white face, can't see me, John Cena. I don't throw shade, I'm in the shadow realm creeping. Slender man scared the chicken shit right out of vegan.
What's beef? Beef is when you die 3 times in 1 week. Beef is when they hating on me, I don't even speak. Beef is when you see me for a second on the street. Then where'd I go? I'm like Houdini on my feet. Poof, probably in the tree. Freddy is a dream chaser, sign up with a meek. Call me Michael Myers cause I'm pulling out your teeth. Stab you during sex, that's a happy Halloween. Stoop kid, afraid to leave the stoop, he'll get cut. I made the same movie 11 times, trick what? You're still gonna pay to see me rearrange guts. Tell Jamie Lee Curtis, get up off my nuts. That's not a white mask, I just don't tan my face. I don't chase hoes, I walk at my own pace. Tell Mark Cuban I got something for his bank. All up in my business, end up in the Shark Tank. Facts, 50 told me get the strap. The only time 50 got the power when he acts. I'm like a Spanish girl, I don't say ask, I say axe. So boy touch my axe, I'ma toss it to your back. Damn, that boy Mikey going brazy. Really with the bullshit like Jordan in the 80s. I'ma turn you ghost like that boy Patrick Swayze. Killers catch a case and start singing like they Sway Lee. Unforgettable.
Come here, George. Tag, you're it. Psych, I'm it. I'm popping this confetti, dog. I'll pull up with a stick. Georgie tried to pull up to my sewer and got ripped. I'm snatching little kids like Jared Fogle with the wrist. Son, count to 7. You're gonna see stranger things when it hits 11. I be in a bando strapped with no weapons. Just me and my balloon, I'm choking these kids' senses. Black, it's gonna be a bloody ass circus. Black, Ronald McDonald will catch a herd. Black, they say you only see me when you're scared. What? Then how the hell you see me right here? Huh? I got your Harlem shaking in your collar. Young Pennywise, but I'm all about $1. Give me the loot, Timberland clown boots. My hair's on fleek and I'm hung like a noose. Young Tropicana, come here kid, I got the juice. I'm slapping Cardi B till she's Bodak blue. Truth? I don't think so, I want the problems. I want all the smoke, Newports to your mama. I ain't clowning around, I will do the honors and put your ass to sleep like a bee did the Connor. Snooze, watch me go and do my little dance. Forget world peace and Martech with the hands. Bozo.
Welcome to prime time, guys. This is grade A rap. Make a punk through the race like TK track. Chucky's bride wanna kick it like Pele's back. Probably cause I'm making moves like Ray J's hat. I'm from Elm Street, Bloodwood's black. Stripes on my shirt, you know I'm the captain. They try to say they burn me alive, that ain't happening. These killers should be working for Liz, they straight captain. Blades on my fingers, I make them respect me. Forget a nightmare, give your girl a wet dream. Snooze you lose, pop up in your damn sleep. You bums make it easy, keep popping them Xannies. Listen, I've been thinking, and I ain't even racist. We got the whitest